Pull this to the side. Oh, this place does not come with sacks. You have to have your own box. Nothing got name brands here at all. Nothing. Fried chicken, baked chicken. Oh no. Alright y'all, so we're gonna see what we're gonna get into next. First we got the produce over here. So we got grapes, greens, and all that good stuff. Cheapest grapes I've ever seen, $1.29 a pound. These top grapes look ratchet. So you gotta go to the bottom. Pull this to the side. Oh, yeah? Oh. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Alright, that's more like yeah, spinach. $1.59. Cheapest spinach I've ever seen. Strawberries are the most healthiest snacks you can get if you're cutting or trying to lose weight. So you can't go wrong with these strawberries. You don't have to get your own box spread. This place does not come with sacks. So you have to have your own box to bag your own stuff up. Grain bread here. It's only 100 calories a slice, $4. Pretty bulky too. If you like me and you like to snack a little bit, grab your 100 calorie pack of cookies. Only $2.29. $2.29. Oatmeal, tons of fiber. It's gonna keep you full and focused. This has a variety pack. If you like me and you don't like to eat the same flavor oatmeal every single day, grab your battery pack. Works every time, bro. Good fiber. Bruh. You want to skip this right here. Hawaiian punch, bro, that got so much shit to do. Aldi's, man, is clutch. Aldi's is clutch. Every time you need something on the low discount price, bro, go here. Ain't nothing got name brands here at all. Nothing. Almond milk, good for you. 1 cup is 60 calories. It's pretty good. It's original vanilla flavor. Perfect. Here, turkey breast. Some of the best tasting turkey breasts I ever had. 3 slices for 50 calories, 8 grams of protein. That's really good. You gotta drink some water. Water. This whole thing is $2.99. Can't beat it. Protein, bro. Protein. That's some ground turkey. Turkey is really lean. Less sodiums can make turkey burgers. Spaghetti is perfect. Chicken breasts. This is $1.89 a pound. It's a family pack. $8.86. All these you gotta dig deep, y'all. Angus beef. This whole thing is $11.62. That's what you need if you're trying to get big. Another weight loss secret: sparkling water is the best if you're trying to lose weight. I mean, it helps you feel full. Ooh, chicken breasts. Ooh. Frozen chicken breasts, garlic and herbs. Chicken is one of the leanest proteins that you can get, so you want to stock up on chicken if you like chicken. Fried chicken, baked chicken, all types of chicken, chicken sandwiches, chicken patties, chicken fillets, chicken burritos, pink salmon. Ooh, this is fucking good, y'all. Frozen pink salmon. Frozen vegetables, frozen green beans. I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, beans, greens. I was gonna get some dessert, but it got like a lot of sugar in it. So never mind. Man, these are some big oranges right here. Man, these are the greenest bananas I ever seen. These are greener than money. If you like me, you like to keep track of your calories. I love almonds, I love walnuts. Really good, 100 calories for a pack. So you can take out these individual packs. It's only 100 calories. Help you keep track of your cravings, keep track of how much you're eating every day.
They're not giving me any.
Oh! No. I'm just sweet. It's like the perfect combination. You know how you sitting on the couch and you like, man, I'm really hungry, but I want something salty and sweet. I want some ice cream and some chips. Don't do that. Trust me, you can regret that. you just want something like this, salty and sweet. I used to eat this every single morning, and this has a lot of sugar in it. You know how much calories is in this Pop-Tart? For 2 of these little pastries, it's 370 calories. Oh! That's almost 400. Junk that they're putting on TV. Wendy's Baconator, bruh, y'all need to stop eating them Baconators, man. Come on, man.
Good though.
This is low-key fire right here, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all something. These variety packs, bro, these are really good. I love these. They have some that's unsweetened too. And look at it, y'all. Look at it. Only 3 grams of sugar, bro. But if you look at the regular applesauce, you're looking at least 20 grams of sugar. This is one of my favorite little drinks. Only 20 calories. 0 grams of sugar. I mean, come on, y'all. 20 calories. You can burn this by just farting.
I've been on go since a kid. Now I got us for the kids. Where I keep when he is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Where I keep when he is sick.
Told me $88.20.
$88. That's what we like, man. Under $100, man. That's unbelievable. Watch it. Y'all got a free basket. Free basket.
I've been on go since a kid. Now I got us for the kids. Where I keep when he is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got us for the kids. Where I keep when he is sick.